Today we are cleaning, clamping, and carpeting. Where did all this come from? Hey, so I wanted to show you guys what I was just doing in the middle of the workday. I was informed that there was some carpeting in the dumpster right outside, so I thought, hey, I could totally use that because I was about to order a bunch of carpeting for the inside of my truck. Got my car all loaded up with lots and lots and lots and lots of carpeting. There was some lady eating her lunch, watching me pull all of this out of the dumpster and load it into the back of my car, and she probably thinks that I'm insane. So first I'm gonna clean it. I've got this bucket of water, Dawn, and a little bit of Simple Green. And it's just a little bit nasty in here, so let's just get to it. There were lots of hornets in here when I first got it, so I've been waiting to clean out this little mess for a while now. Hornets, wasps, mud wasps, whatever. Oh yeah, I also totally got to finish this, which I completely forgot about. Yay! Okay, so it's a lot cleaner in here. It's still not perfect naturally because this scratchy textured material is really hard to wipe off, but I'm pretty happy with how this looks, and it doesn't need to be perfect because we're about to put the carpeting over it. Alright, now I think let's do the carpet. To stick it on, I'm going to be using this Gorilla Spray Adhesive. Thank you, Brian, for the suggestion. Here's me picking this up. Let's go. I have no idea exactly how much I'm gonna need or anything. So this is kind of just going as we go. That sucks about dumpster carpet is it's full of these staples. They're everywhere. I keep stabbing myself on them. Alright, it's a couple days later because I don't just have infinite time like that. I'm pretty sure that Gorilla adhesive spray I was using the other day is just not working. I was having the hardest time, I'm sure, as you saw. So I went and got this 3M industrial grade adhesive spray. I'm hoping that's going to do the job. That's what I've seen everybody using in all the videos. So let's get going. Yeah, this stuff looks way different than the Gorilla. This stuff shoots out like Spider-Man webs, bro. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna die from breathing in the fumes. Let's feel if it's tacky. This stuff looks awesome when it sprays out, dude. Look at that. Literally like a Spider-Man web. It's so cool. Okay, I guess. Let's see how this is gonna go on here. The only thing that sucks is some of this carpeting is cut unevenly, so... Okay, so naturally I've never done carpeting ever before, so there's a few rough spots. It definitely looks worse on camera, but like here, I had to add a little patch, just like I said earlier, the carpet is cut a little weird. And this back area definitely looks way worse than it actually is. For right now, as someone who's never carpeted before, I'm just happy to see it going up and getting on there. And I have to say this 3M is infinitely better than the Gorilla stuff, and I wish I didn't waste my money on the Gorilla stuff in the first place, but what are you gonna do? So this here I did the other day because I just felt like I wanted to win. Oh, that was the school bus rolling through. It's so weird, I'm still not used to not being on that thing. Anyway, so I just like wanted to win, so I put this down so I could feel like I did something, but it looks pretty crap. And it's also gonna be way easier to just take a big carpet and go down, so. Freaking wet? How is it wet? Oh yeah, this is epic.
Have mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Don't let my heart turn cold. Have mercy on me.
Okay, so I've now got these fabric scissors here to help me out because I think for this back part I want to do line here, and just join them in the middle. I feel like that would be easier than cutting out this massive freaking window. So heck it, that's what I'm gonna do. These scissors are lefty scissors, by the way. I always hated cutting stuff as a kid in elementary school, and I never knew why. Scissors were just incredibly uncomfortable to me. And I didn't know until I watched that episode of The Simpsons where Flanders starts like a store with everything for lefties, and in it he sells like scissors for left-handed people. Dude, I didn't know scissors were a dominant hand thing. This is literally the first pair of left-handed scissors I've ever had in my life. And let me just tell you, cutting with these is like, oh, I see why nobody cares cutting with scissors. I always hated it because it was uncomfortable, and now, come on, why did they do that? And then a few other people have used these scissors and been like, why do they feel so weird? I don't like it. I'm like, oh, really? Okay. Now you know what it feels like, right-hander.
Oh,
what
wow.
do you
Holy
think?
Cow, that's amazing.
Oh, you think it's amazing?
Yeah, I think it looks really good.
You hear that, guys? She thinks it looks really good.
Oh, are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh.
Gonna need a light in here real soon enough. Wow. I'll have to fix that a little bit. But dude, I'm proud of this. I'm proud of this. Well, oh my brothers, I've run out of spray completely. I only have a couple more corners to do. I'm sure you can't see. I don't want to go spend $20 on another can though, and especially right now it's rush hour. But F it. What's up? I've converted you all to phone land. So yeah, we're just don't worry, she does that. Yeah, so we're just going to the hardware store real quick. I don't feel like driving my car though, so I'm moving it right now out of the way because I want to bring the truck. I haven't driven the truck in so long. Now let's move this greasy pig. Dude, I freaking hate daylight savings time. It's already freaking pitch black out. The last thing we gotta do is clamp this topper down. Boom, 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 boom. Beep, beep. Pushing all this crap back. And we're going. Whew. Oh yeah. It's been so long since I've driven this thing, man. Okay, so we only have one more section to do.
That white spot right there. Snip, snip, glue, glue.
Hey Siri. Skip.
When you're singled out.
Okay, so that is the whole truck carpeted. Boom, boom, bingo, bango, whole thing. that's pretty awesome. Obviously, I've still got some cutting and gluing to do. I'm sure you can see some white spots, a lot of overhanging pieces. Once I cut this up a little bit, get rid of some of this extra slack, I think it's really gonna look pretty nice. I mean, it already just looks so much nicer with carpet than the crappy fiberglass material. So I've got a little bit more work to do, but I think I'm gonna call the video here. Then we're gonna be on to building the actual hardware. So thank you guys so much for watching. If anyone's curious, the truck clamps that I got are these from Amazon. Yeah, they were like 30 bucks or something like that. But man, I'm super excited, so thank you all. And next video might be a bit of a gap. I don't know how much projecting I'm gonna do exactly. I don't know, we'll see. But